Why was I forsaken? What was my fault in it? What was my reason to be forsaken? Well, that's what she's going through. And I don't know how much strength one would have to fight the cruelty and the villain at that time, because all her strength is going into that question, and a part of the energy is shifted there. And that's exactly what happened. And exactly after the act, she is cursed. And it's been told that it's her fault. That means the very institution, the very people, the very structure that is meant to protect us, that is meant to guard us, when that turns hostile, when that turns punishment, we come to a state of question that was something terribly wrong with us, was something terribly wrong with us, was something inadequate in us, was something irredeemably damaged within us. And well, if that is so, then what was that? Well, eventually, depending on the event and the impact, we remember the impact, but more than the impact, what we remember is how we felt helpless, hopeless, worthless in that structure, in that journey, in that moment. And what happened to us? What was my fault in that? Now she's having two questions. The first question is, why was I not protected? Why did the very institution that is meant to protect me not protect me? Why did my parent not protect me? Why did that institution not protect me? And then the second question is, what is my fault? And in both of these, she doesn't get the answer. Most of us wouldn't get the answer. And therefore, we develop a guilt, which means something must have been irredeemably damaged within me because of which this happened, because that's the only answer we can get, because our very parents are ashamed of us. And now we are guilty of what they are ashamed of, and we feel it's something because of us that they are ashamed, something because of us they are going through, and because of which we subject that ridicule to us, we subject ourselves to that punishment, and then we keep going on with it as a repeated loop.